Okay, let's try that again. It is a wet, miserable day today. It is rainy. It's not raining really hard, but it's raining really steady. And it's 32 degrees. Could have fooled me, honestly. It doesn't feel 32. I put on this coat because I thought it was going to be cold, but there's not really any rain. It's raining down. I mean, there's really not any wind, excuse me. It's raining down steady. Rooster Cogburn wants his breakfast. So I'm going to come out here and get it for him and hopefully keep this camera dry while I do. It's time for some feed. We are running low. They'll be outside all day pecking around despite the rain. And it's not coming down too hard, but I'm going to make it pretty quick this morning in here so I can let them back inside. Just saw that this is broken this morning. I don't know when that happened, but I can't even get it back open now. My hands are cold. I better leave it for Nathan. Good job. Thank you. Very good. High five. This is the mudroom. And what happened is when we built this house 2 years ago, we built it just to get the CO, knowing that there were projects that we were going to want to do on it later. One of those projects was tiling this floor, and we've had the tile for like, I don't know, 6 or so months out in the garage, and it's just sitting in boxes in a pallet. Today's really rainy, and so like this whole weekend and next week are going to be rainy. And so what we need to do today is get this ready so that Nathan can work on it and start getting the flooring up so that we can put the tile down. So the kids and I especially are going to be clearing this place out, and the first thing that has to happen is I need to get that shelf out of the foyer. I've listed it actually on Facebook Marketplace. We need to get that shelf out of the foyer. We're going to get it into the garage, and then I have to empty out this armoire. It's got all my crafting paraphernalia in there, and it's kind of a mess. So I need to empty it out because it's super heavy, and this is going to go in the foyer there, and it will look a lot nicer. Then all the rest of this stuff needs to either be put temporarily someplace else in the house or stored out in the garage.
Stuff is cheap enough that it'd be. Not worth my time, you know what I mean? I need a cat's paw.
Need to do what?
I said I need a cat's paw. It's a little small.
What is cat's
It's about that wide. It's like a little mini crowbar, but it's
Can you get one when you go to Tractor Supply?
probably.
Here. I can get it under there.
You can.
Yep.
Apparently, you can put ceramic tile down on top of vinyl, serving as its underlayment.
Yeah, but didn't we talk about that? And we were like, we don't really want to do that because this vinyl was put down really poorly to begin with. They had to come out and put a second thing down, and then we had to have them come back out again to fix the spots that, because they didn't glue the whole thing, they just glued parts and all that stuff. Didn't we talk about that? And we talked about wanting to pull up the Luan. So Nathan was able to get all the shoe molding off without the cat's claw. He and the boys pulled the vinyl from the mud room, but we decided to leave the vinyl in the powder room and the laundry room. We thought we would do those as a separate flooring project. Then they pulled up the 1/4-inch Luan that the installers had put down over the subfloor to make a smooth surface for installing the vinyl. And that left our project ready for the next step. Don't step on your hair, Rapunzel.